Sorry, please, can you leave this back? Sorry.
And I voted on that the system is working. You can imagine the large crowd, meaning that so many people will be disenfranchised, and that will lead to a lot of crisis. I can even still believe that of all the promises made after I've left with my wife for more than 2 hours, yet the BIVAS is still not very functional. I don't want to begin to suspect any foul play, but from the reports I've received from other local governments, it does appear to be the same experience. And then you would now wonder, why should it be peculiar to Rivers State? I don't want to make any suspicion yet, but I don't think it's quite encouraging. My people cannot be disenfranchised. You can see we've never had an election where you have this number of crowd. I believe that they will extend the period to 6 p.m. I mean, look at the time now. Voting has started from 8:30 to about 2:30, but we are just starting. So I'm not happy with the preparedness of INEC as regards to the BIVAS.
Will you be advising your people to stay calm despite this issue they're having with the process?
Obviously, that is why you still see them staying under the sun to make sure that they exercise their franchise. It is their right to vote. I've also told them that we believe it will be sorted out, but their patience cannot be taken for granted. I believe that every Nigerian wants to participate in this particular election. So INEC should do everything within their powers to see that people vote. If people don't vote, people will not be happy.
Out of 100, how will you score INEC?
That's last question. It's okay. It's okay.
If I don't vote, will I be happy?
It's okay. Last question.
Thank you.